Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. The issue of Biafra and Biafra actualization, a lot of people try to play it down, but honestly speaking, I think it's beyond the movement, and all hands needs to be on deck to treat this issue that is so sensitive with delicate care. But before we go to the newspaper to find out exactly what even prominent politicians, Igbo politicians, are saying about even the unity of Igbos, and when the Biafra Memorial Day came on, which is about 10 years already, a decade already, would like to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Let's go straight into the full details of the news. Where there was a harvest of tributes in celebration of Dim Chukwuemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu at the 10th edition of the memorial of the late Igbo hero in Owerri, in Imo State yesterday. The event took place at the expansive grounds of the Ojukwu Memorial Library, built by the leader of BIM, Masob, that's Chief Raf Uwazurike. This is as Ojukwu's wife, Bianca, declared at the event that the clamor for secession, which according to her had reached fever pitch in the country today, was a direct consequence of the iniquities of the Nigerian state as presently constituted. She maintained that Igbo have continued to feel the pains of marginalization and exclusion on a daily basis, adding that for as long as this was not addressed, and in so far as the federal government continued to exclude the Southeast from certain political positions and critical development projects such as the National Railway Plan, and the zone continued to suffer the ravages of the deteriorating condition of existing federal infrastructure, most especially roads, the feelings of collective victimization can only be reinforced and will continue to sustain the agitation for a separate state. The former Nigerian ambassador to Spain decried the continued detention of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, and called on the federal government to consider the pleas for his release. Thanking Igbo leaders who visited President Muhammadu Buhari recently in pursuance of this same objective, she appealed to the president to consider the caliber and age of these Igbo statesmen and grant their request in order to demonstrate a genuine commitment to healing the wounds of the past. She regretted that Igbo have been continually denied equal sense of belonging and legitimate citizenship rights in Nigeria. She, however, noted that no sacrifice was too much to promote and sustain peaceful coexistence of all the ethnic nationalities in the country. Well, the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, that's Dr. Nkem Okeke, who was special guest at the event, said for the Igbo to get what they want as a people, they must act with unity of purpose. He said that Igbo as a great nation must begin to speak with one voice if they must achieve their aspirations in an ethnic country like Nigeria, as according to him, without unity, they will continue to lose their rightful place in Nigeria. Igbo are a great people, but they are divided. And I'm saying this because we need unity, and without it, we cannot achieve anything. But with unity, we can achieve whatever we set our minds on. We must stand together, and if we don't do that, we will never get our right or political aims. So, we must unite and stand together for our rights, Okeke said. The deputy governor added, Ojukwu, while alive, stood for the unity of Igbo and was a man of integrity, and we are here today to honor his memorial, and the only way Igbo can continue to honor the memory of this great man who sacrificed his personal wealth and comfort for the cause of Igbo is to be united and continue to speak with one voice. He also lauded the leader of BIM, Masob, as Chief Raf Uwazurike for organizing the annual Dim Chukwuemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu Day in memory of the late Igbo sage. In his remarks, son of the late Biafran leader Afamefuna Ojukwu, a young United States trained engineer, also thanked Waziriki for consistently hosting the event every year since the demise of his father. The event was a cultural festival featuring a brief interdenominational service, traditional dances, masquerade display, colorful parades, drama sketches, and a live band, elogiza, and doing other things in music, exploits of the Biafran hero. Also speaking good things about the late Odimegwu Ojukwu. Alright, but despite the fact that he has been gone for years, Ojukwu, the late Ojukwu indeed, is someone that the Ndibos may not likely forget in a hurry. And the deputy governor of Anambra State is saying, look, that the Ndibos may likely we keep getting marginalized, keep getting victimized if they don't learn to speak with one voice. One group will come and say, okay, this is what we want. The next group say, who sent you? As what? On whose head? On whose authority? Come on, you speak for yourself. And look at a case study. To look at a case study is the sit-at-home order. Okay, it has been suspended. Some other groups say, no way, we stand on what we stand. Don't forget, the elders said if they can suspend the sit-at-home, they will do their part in, if it means pleading, whatever it would take, political solution to bring out Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB heeded, they heard, they listened, they obeyed. But yet another group is saying, for what? We'll continue with the sit-at-home. Now, if you continue with the sit-at-home, what do you expect the elders to say? And how would the elders go and face the president? When they go meet the president, the presidency will probably ask them, say, but you said you have control over your boys, you have control over your people. You just said they should stop sitting at home and they didn't listen to you. So what's the possibility that when we release your son, you will be able to control him? So they said charity, respect begins at home. If your elders have said stop the sit-at-home and you are seeing visible signs they are actually doing something, look at the elder statesman, Papa Amechi. Despite his age and his pedigree, he still went asking for the release of, he didn't call him just his son, his illustrious son. Come on. Well, I guess there's a lot to be learned, and I guess there's a lot of mending. But what Bianca is saying in all is saying, look, in as much as there's marginalization of the Ndibos, the Biafran spirit will not die. Let's meet in the comment section. Do you agree with what they're saying? Or do you think it's just a mere case of propaganda that just doing face and paying lip service to the whole issue, that have no intention of releasing Nnamdi Kanu, and the Biafran spirit will definitely keep going stronger? Let's interact with it.